Sino nakaka-relate dito? Raise your hand. Yung suffering alone, yung suffer in silence. Yan. Ikaw yung mga pasan ko ang daigdig. Kaya ka naubos. Have you been taking care of yourself?
Hindi din po. Nakalimutan ko na din po.
Paano alagaan yung ibang tao, sarili mo hindi maalagaan? Nagets mo?
Yes po.
Sige, if you were to honor yourself, ano itsura?
Kasi ako po yung tipo ng tao na adventurous na gusto din mag-travel.
Oh, what's stopping you from doing that?
Kasi yung responsibility po dun sa work.
Okay. Would you agree na you need to develop your leadership so that you'll know how to delegate this?
Yes po.
Correct. Si Russ, do you think Russ is busy? Sobra, 16 companies. Kung aakuin niya lahat ng responsibilidad nun, do you think mauubos siya? Bakit hindi nauubos? Nag-develop ng structure. Nag-develop ng culture of coaching. If you set it up right, will it buy you your time?
Yes.
Will that be wonderful?
Yes.
Sino ba naman ang ayaw mag-travel? Kaya hindi maka-travel, your structure prevents you from doing that.